In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance the security of your Etsy account by setting up two-factor authentication, commonly known as 2FA. It's a simple yet powerful way to add an extra layer of protection. Whether you're a frequent Etsy shopper or a creative seller, keeping your account secure is crucial. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to navigate your way over to Etsy. Simply open up your preferred web browser and type in Etsy's website address. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. It's always a good idea to ensure you're logging in from a secure, trusted device, especially when you're changing security settings. Once you're logged in and on the Etsy main page, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll find your profile icon. Click on it and a drop-down menu should appear. Here you're going to select Account Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all sorts of details about your account. It's like your control center for anything related to your profile. On the Account Settings page, you'll see several tabs across the top. These tabs help you navigate through different areas of your account settings. What you're looking for today is the Security tab. Clicking on this will open up a section dedicated to various security features that Etsy offers, and it's here where you'll set up your 2FA. Once you're in the Security section, you'll notice the option for two-factor authentication. This is where things get a little more secure. Look for a button that says Turn 2FA On. Clicking this button will start the process of setting up two-factor authentication on your account. Etsy may guide you through some initial setup steps, such as choosing how you want to receive your authentication codes. Usually, you'll have the option to receive these codes via SMS to your mobile phone or through an authentication app. An important tip: make sure that whichever method you choose, you can easily access it. If you opt for SMS, ensure your phone is nearby anytime you're logging in. If you go with an authentication app, downloading one ahead of time, something like Google Authenticator or Authy, will keep the process smooth and swift. And just like that, once you've followed the prompts and confirmed your preferred method, you'll have successfully set up two-factor authentication on your Etsy account. You'll see a confirmation and congratulations. Your account is now fortified with an additional layer of security. This process is not just about protecting your information, it's about peace of mind, knowing that you've taken an extra step to safeguard your digital space. Thanks for following along, and happy secure shopping on Etsy.